Here we've got the Manta Ray Pokemon Mantaraymon. Finally getting its first debut on Master Designs. Alexa, play Barnacles.
Here's Barnacles by SpongeBob, featuring Sandy and others on Amazon Music.
Alright. Here's the upper half. Alexa, what is a manta ray?
Manta rays are large rays belonging to the genus Mobula. The larger species, M. virostris, reaches 7 meters in width, while the smaller, M. alfredi, reaches 5.5 meters. Both have triangular pectoral fins, horn-shaped cephalic fins and large, forward-facing mouths. They are classified among the Myliobatiformes and are placed in the family Myliobatidae.
Alexa, what is an electric stingray?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, a type of flatfish that is a member of the shark family and has a barbed tail full of deadly venom.
Alexa, play Barnacles.
Barnacles by SpongeBob, featuring Sandy and others on Amazon Music.
We all know that the alphabet has 26 letters. Count them! You can mix and match.
There we go.
Many
That's how you draw a
numbers.
Mantaraymon.